Sally Horn. On her left, she's a student, part-time law clerk, says she's undecided, has a question. Go ahead.
Hi.
Welcome to the Palmetto State.
Thank you.
I am from Rock Hill, South Carolina, and I had the privilege and delight of attending Agnes Scott College in Decatur, Georgia, a women's college. We share that, and I was wondering if you could elaborate on how attending a women's college prepared you for the specific challenge of running for president, especially when it's often challenging when people don't recognize women's issues as significant or women themselves as significant.
Well, that is a great question.
Thank you.
Thank you. And I have been to Agnes Scott. It's a wonderful campus. I think you must have had a great time there, just as I did when I went to